Hello there. This is my V3 Stone, and you see this is my what I drove today. It's about 5 miles, so the bike is warm. And here's the point with the clutch. And I think you can see it's the same sound like your bike is doing. Here's the exercise place where the new drivers are doing the exercise for the preparation of the examination. And it's a wonderful Monday afternoon, blue sky, a little bit cloudy, not too warm, not too cold, perfect for riding. I wish you always a good ride there in London, and yeah, stay tuned and hope it helps you. Bye.